I'll be using this book in our tutorial lesson. Tingnan natin kung effective sa inyo. So, nasa chapter 5 po tayo. Linear equation and inequalities in two variables. So, ayan lahat. Chapter 5 muna, ha? Kasi ito yung lesson mo.
Hello everyone! Welcome to aroMATHerapy Tutorial Services. This is Jen Dorado, your tutor.
Let's discuss the solutions and answers to your problem sets. Determine whether or not each equation is a linear equation in two variables. If so, identify A, B, and C. A. 4x is equal to 9 plus 2y. B. Y is equal to 3x plus 7. C. 2x squared minus y is equal to 8. D. 4 over x plus y is equal to 7. E. X, y is equal to 8. A linear equation in two variables is an equation that can be written in the standard form ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are elements of real numbers such that a and b is not equal to 0. Let's emphasize the definition of linear equation in two variables. We have here, kapag ax plus by is equal to c, automatically that is a linear equation in two variables. This is your a, b, and c, the elements are real numbers, and take note that a and b are not equal to 0. Okay, this will serve as our guide in determining whether these equations here are linear equation in two variables. So take note that some of the equations here needs to be converted into a standard form ax plus by is equal to c. Okay. In letter A, we're given with 4x minus 9 plus 2y. So just if we're looking at the equation, we can say that this equation here is a linear equation in two variables, since here this is automatically this is your A, this is your B, and this is your C. But first, let us now try to convert this equation here into standard form. So here, let us subtract negative 2y to both sides of the equation. And that's as simplified. So here, positive 2y minus 2y is equal to 0. Let's simplify. So here 4x minus 2y is equal to 9. So when we notice, this is now a linear equation in two variables, just in standard form. So here, you have your A equal to 4, B equal to negative 2, and C equal to positive 9. For letter B, we're given with equation y equal to 3x plus 7. Let us convert this equation into the standard form in x plus by is equal to c. So here we need to subtract negative y to both sides of the equation. So, ayan, makancel si negative y on the left-hand side. Maging 0 yan siya. We also need to subtract negative 7 on both sides of the equation. So, on the right-hand side, magiging 0 siya kasi makakancel si positive 7 at negative 7, which is equal to 0. Ayan. So, let's try to simplify. So, here we have negative 7 is equal to 3x minus y. This is now a linear equation in two variables. Nasa standard form na siya. So, a is equal to 3, b is equal to negative 1, and c is equal to negative 7. For letter C, we're given with the equation 2x squared minus y is equal to 8. Take a look at the exponent of x. What is the exponent of x? The exponent of x is equal to 2. Right? Since the exponent of x is 2, this is not a linear equation. The exponent of the variables in a linear equation must be 1. So, dapat 1 lang yung exponent dito. At since 2 ito yung exponent niya, this is not a linear equation because of its exponent 2. Kasi nga dapat yung exponent ng bawat variables in a linear equation should be 1. Understood? In letter B, we're given with the equation 4 over x plus y is equal to 7. Take a look at the denominator of this equation. Here, a variable appears in the denominator of the fraction. So automatically, this is not a linear equation into variable. For letter D, we're given with equation xy is equal to 8. Is this a linear equation into variables? No. Bakit? This is not a linear equation in two variables because the two variables here, these two variables x, y, are part of the same term. Di ba dapat magkahiwalayan sila? Ano nga yung form natin? ax plus by is equal to b. Ayan o, these two variables x and y are part of the same term. So this means this given equation is not a linear equation in two variables. Okay, now let us review our answers. Let's see whether you're really listening to our discussion or what. So letter A, is this a linear equation in two variables? Okay, check. Letter B. This equation here can be converted into a standard form. So what is the standard form of this equation? You have 3x minus y is equal to negative 7. So this means that this equation here is a linear equation in two variables. So i-check natin siya. I'll check. How about your letter C? Check our x. The exponent of x is 2. So this means this is not a linear equation in two variables. Here, x natin siya. For letter D, there is a variable on the denominator. So this means this is not a linear equation in two variables. So i-x natin siya. For letter E, xy is equal to 8. the two variables x, y are part of the same term. So this means this is not a linear equation in two variables kasi dapat magkahiwalayan sila. Ano nga yung form ng linear equation in two variables? Standard form, ax plus by is equal to c. So sa letter E, this is not a linear equation in two variables. So ex. Okay. So nag-guess nila kung paano mag-determine ng linear equation in two variables. Yan lang yun, sir. Kapag standard form, ax plus by is equal to c. Kapag general form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay?
Thanks for watching. God bless everyone.
There should be no such thing as boring mathematics. Reduce math anxiety. Say yes to aroMATHerapy.